Okay. So now, today we have a topic which is parler de vacances.
Parler de
Vacances. Is it like
जी
now
sir.
today we have a conversation. Hi Sandeep ji, how are you?
Hello, sir. Sorry.
Today we have a conversation parler de vacances. Now, for example, Gaganji, you are Claire. Your
Yes,
name
sir.
is Claire. Okay, and you will say because we are doing the dialogues. क्योंकि हमारे because in TEF we also using the dialogue pattern. Obviously, in your TEF exam, we have to convince the examiner. We have to ask the question, right? But obviously, in order to increase the level, we have to go for dialogues making first, right? Now,
Right.
rep chapter one. Tu as passé. Rep chapter one. Tu as passé de bonnes vacances. Rep chapter one. Tu as
To
passé
pass c'est the bomb
de
vacances.
bonnes vacances. C'est clair? It means you're asking the question from your friend, which is Ellen. Sandeep, you are Ellen, okay?
Yes,
And
sir.
now there is a role play. This is a theater basically. Now you have to participate in theater. So first I will explain to you your dialogues, and tomorrow you will play a role, okay? You will get a recording, you will practice for this, and tomorrow you will play a role, okay? Is it clear to you? So, tu as passé de bonnes vacances. Did you have a nice vacation? Past tense. Because passé is my verb to spend, pass. If we have, you know what is tu as passé? Gaganji, you know passé composé?
जी sir.
So, tu as passé de bonnes vacances. It means you passed. Did you have a nice vacation? Ellen is saying, oui, yes. Je me suis éclaté. बोलो आप संदीप जी, oui.
Oui,
Je me suis
je me suis
éclaté.
éclaté.
Very important. Je me suis éclaté. Répétez après moi.
Je me suis
éclaté.
éclaté.
Yes. एक बार repeat करते हैं दोबारा से. Can we repeat one more time? Repeat your dialogue.
इसका मतलब क्या हुई तो मतलब yes je me suis I had éclaté good fun.
हाँ, मैं को सारे एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. पहले एक बार अपना डायलॉग बोलो आप. Tu as passé de bonnes vacances. आप बोलो आप.
To pass the bomb vacances.
हम बोलते हैं एकलाते is something like very. हम एक तो होता है कि you know I would say yes it was fine. It was more than fine.
Very good.
Eklatē. These are the things which we can add on. Clear? Is it clear to you? It means it was wonderful, wonderful. Marvaya, eklatē. Is it clear to you? So that how you will get a vocabulary. Okay. Now over here, why over here je me suis éclaté? Which sense is that? You know, team, have you done serve और passe compose किया आपने past में कभी जब आप practice करते अपना A1 A2 serve verbs का passe compose है?
ना सर अभी नहीं किया.
Nice.
Let me explain to you serve verbs. Team, एक कुछ ऐसी verbs, there are some verbs which we have a serve verb pattern. Now it means there are some verb which start from ser. Now for example, we have a parler. Parler is my verb to speak. There's no serve verb, right? But we have a verb. There's some verbs wherein we have a verb starting from se éclater. Now, because we have two vowels, so that is s'éclater. Is it clear to you? We have se verb pattern, team. In French, we have se verb pattern, which is s'éclater is my verb to fun, to measure fun. Se verb pattern. Is it clear to you, team? Team, in French, listen to me. Écoutez-moi, s'il vous plaît. In French, we have se verb pattern. Se verb pattern belongs to your se verbs. Because in French, we have se verbs. Team, is it clear? Yes. In French, we have se verbs. Now, for example, what is se verbs? Sir belongs to your oneself patron. Sir belongs to your, in English we say yourself, him. I wake up myself, you wake up yourself, he, she wake up himself, right? My sir what belongs to my oneself, yourself, himself patron. Sir verbs is very important in French language. There are a lot of verbs. They can start from sir, sir. It means to enjoy oneself. Full verb. What is the meaning of s'éclater? Sir verb. To enjoy oneself. Now, team, for example, if I want to convert to enjoy oneself with I enjoy, so that oneself will be converted into myself, and I will say I enjoy myself. Oneself would be converted into yourself. It means you enjoy yourself. Oneself would be converted into himself, herself. So that is he enjoy himself, she enjoy herself. Is it clear to you, team? This is a
Yes, sir.
pattern basically. So how to conjugate this in present tense? It means in case of je, my sir would be converted into me, which is myself. So je me éclate. In case of sir, my tu, in case of tu, my sir would be converted into te. It means tu t'éclates. It means you enjoy yourself. In case of sir, right? Elle s'éclate. Nous. Team, very important to understand. In case of, repeat after me, okay? Let's repeat after me. In case of je, repeat after me. In case of,
In case of Ch,
my sir would be converted into me. Is it clear to you? Because this is myself patron. There's some verb which will say, I enjoy myself. So, je m'éclate. Is it clear to you, Sandeep ji and Gagan ji?
and
Clear? Because, why you say je m'appelle? This very common phrase, je m'appelle. Why you say je m'appelle? Why you say j'appelle? Why can't you say j'appelle? Tell me. Tell me.
Yama means I am wala hota hai. I am Gagan.
No, yes. Because we have verb s'appeler. The verb of appeler is belongs to my sir patron. S'appeler. Is it clear to you, team?
Okay.
So s'appeler is my verb. Clear, team? So whenever, see, why you say tu t'appelles? Why you say tu t'appelles? कभी guess किया आपने? Why you say je m'appelle? Why can't you say j'appelle? Because we have sub or patron. S'appeler, appeler is my sub or patron. They are verbs. They're ending. They have a sub or patron, which is starting from sir. If I will say je m'appelle, I call myself. So it means that sir is converted into me in case of je, right? My sir would be converted into tu t'appelles in case of tu. With my il and l, my sir would be sir only, il elle s'appelle. In case of nous, my sir would be converted into nous, to nous appelons. In case of sir, my vous would be converted into vous only. So we have double vous. One we have vous subject, one we have vous which is sir. In case of pluriel, my sir is sir only. So for this reason, s'éclater is je m'éclate, tu t'éclates. Is it clear to you, team? Il elle s'éclate, nous nous éclatons, vous vous éclatez, il elle s'éclate. Gaganji, is it clear to you? Gaganji and Sandeepji, is it clear to you?
जी sir.
Gaganji? Hello?
हेलो सर मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes. Is it clear to you?
जी सर जी.
Clear? Now, one thing you have to understand, team, very important. Very, very important. Because dramatically, we'll pick the grammar and we'll do the dialogues making. What is the past activities? Like what to say past activities? what is the passé composé of serve verb? How to conjugate passé composé, the past tense of serve verb? Team, one thing you have to understand, serve verbs always conjugate with eth family verb. You know, in past tense, team, in past tense, what is the formula of past tense? Either we have to use the formula of avoir,
or être.
either we have the formula of être, present tense, and PP of the verb, simple. But over here, my serve verb is always conjugate. My serve verb is always conjugate with my être family verb. Now, for example, I will say I enjoyed. I enjoyed. Because you know what, team? Sick latte. Sick latte, I have to convert with I enjoyed, right? So je is I, okay. That's a rule, je. Ma, you know ma, because we have sir is converted to ma. Then we have at the family present tense, what is sui? Okay. Then we have the verb is ending from er. Team, you know, if the verb is ending from er, so what is the formula of ending verb in terms of past? That is converted into e agu, e a wala symbol. So je me suis éclaté. Clear. Team,
So how do we identify whether it is a S
this is
verb?
learn. This is you have to learn. Seklate, sir verb. Uska we have to do practice. There are a lot of verbs. For example, we have sabine, sabrose, a lot of verbs we have. Samuse, seclat. So these things, because I will give it to you, the sir verbs, right? The sir verbs, I will give it to you. We have 125 sir verbs, right?
Okay.
We have a lot of we have a lot of verbs, but majorly I will give it to you in your session for time. I will give it to 125, approximate 124, 125 sir verbs. Is it clear to your team? Clear?
Yes, sir.
You came to know what is the passé composé? Team.
Teacher.
Now how to convert to the passé composé? Tell me.
Okay.
Tu, the, because we have sir. Okay, let me write it down. The passé composé of je me suis éclaté. Then we have tu. Then the, because we have sir, is converted to the in case of sir. Then what is es? Ether conjugation. Es tute. Tute zeklate. Now ill we have sir because we have sir only ill because in case of ill, my sir would be sir only, but the ether is est a. So ill el se teklate. Nu, okay, that's fine. That nu. So one nu is for subject and one nu we have sir is converted to nu. Then what to say? Ether family verb. What to say? Nu som, nu som, zeklate. Is it clear to you, team? Because it is very tricky and very simple. See, what is that? Vu, okay, vu, we have subject. So in case of my sir verb, my sir is converted into vu, okay. Then what is être vu? Vu zet. Because we are using over here être present tense plus PP of the verb, simple. Vu zet, zeklate. Clear, team? Team, is it clear to you?
Sure.
And ill in case of plurial, so that is sir only. Clear? So, because we have être family, ils sont éclatés. Elles sont éclatés. Very simple, team. Is it clear to you? Clear, team. Is it clear to you? Team, you have to do practice for this. It's very important. Session is under recording. You have to watch this recording again and again. Clear? Now, je me suis éclaté. It means, Sandeep, you are saying, I enjoyed a lot. Je me suis éclaté. Is it clear to you?
Sir.
So let's have a conversation. Claire, repeat your dialogues, please. Tell me your dialogues, Claire.
Tu as passé des bonnes vacances.
Yes. Now, Sandeep, you tell me your dialogues.
Oui, je me suis éclaté.
Yes. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, Claire is saying, Chue ale u, chue ale u. It means where did you go? Chue ale. Dekho, section, why we are doing these type of activities? We are doing past version. Why? Because in your section A, writing task, you have to write for past. For this reason, we are doing the past activities theater. Team, is it clear to you?
So that 80-word sentence जो आपने कहा था.
Yes, 800 words, exactly. You have to write for past, so your past has to be strong. And we will do a lot of theater. Now, for example, you came to know serve up, past tense. We only have done now, as of now, 2 verbs. We will do gradually, we'll pick the verbs with the theaters, past theaters, which will help you, to touch your section of writing A, sorry. Clear? So, chue ale u, it means you went, where did you go? Now, what is chue ale? Ale is my verb to go, team. And ale belongs to your eth family verb. Is it clear to you, team?
Yes, sir. Movement word.
So where did you go past chew, a, eth conjugation, and ale is my EQ. Is it clear to you? E, A wala sound. So chue ale u, clear? Where did you go? Ellen is saying, je suis parti. Reply après moi. The entire thing is in past. I will explain to you. Je suis parti. Je suis parti dans le sud pendant 2 semaines. Pendant 2 semaines. What is that? Team, listen to me very carefully. We have verb partir. Repeat after me. Partir. Repeat after me. Partir.
Partir.
Partir is my verb to leave. Is it clear to you, team?
Partir to leave. Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Partir. Repeat after me.
Partir.
Now,
Partir.
for example, if you want to convert, because we do everything over here, we'll do base, present, past, lot of things. Now, for example, I want to convert partir with my present tense. So, répétez après moi, the partir present is je pars, tu pars, elle part. This is my irregular. Nous partons, vous partez, elle part. Team, repeat after me, please. Je pars,
Je pars. Tu pars. Il part.
partons, vous partez,
Nous partons. Vous partez. Il part.
elle part. Team, one thing you have to understand, my partir verb belongs to my être family verb. So if I want to convert the passé composed of partir verb, so partir passé is parti. The passé composé of partir, full verb partir, the past of partir is parti. So I will say, because this is my être family verb, partir belongs to my être family verb. Pen down, please, in a notepad, right? So I will say, because we will do grammar, we'll do entire thing from basic also. Je suis parti. Tu es. Why? Because over here I'm using être present tense plus PP of plus past tense of the verb. So je suis parti. Tu es parti. Elle est parti. Is it clear to you, team? Nous sommes partis. Vous êtes partis. Il sont partis and elles sont parties. Team, is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
जी sir, clear.
Clear? So that's why Sandeep is saying, je suis parti. Manu Sandeep is a girl. If there's a girl pattern, team, you have to insert E at the end of this pepe. Is it clear to you?
जी sir.
So je suis parti, I went to the south, the region of the south, le sud, south. Pendant is during, 10 down please. Pendant is during 2 weeks. Pendant 2 semaines. Dont is in. So je suis parti, I left, I went to the south for 2 weeks. Is it clear to you, team?
Sir.
Now, Claire is saying, tu es parti en voiture. Répétez après moi. Tu es parti en voiture. It means you left there. You went there by car. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Voiture. Team, is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Ellen is saying no. No. J'ai pris le train. J'ai pris le train. Now, team, what is j'ai pris? Again, we'll pick the basic. Prendre is my verb to take. Repeat after me, team.
Prendre is to take.
Prendre is my verb to take. Repeat after me.
Prendre is verb to take.
Is it clear to you? So the moment I will convert prendre verb with my present tense, team, listen to me. Écoutez-moi. Clear? 1 second, I forgot to send the link. So sorry. 1 second, let me share the link. Prendre is my verb to take. Is it clear to you? So over here we have je prends is to I take. Let me write it down. Je prends is to I take. Tu prends is to you take. Il prend, nous prenons, vous prenez, il prend. Now, for example, if I want to convert passé composé of prendre verb, passé composé. For example, if I want to convert passé composé of prendre verb, so what it could be? It is j'ai pris, tu as pris, elle a pris, because the past tense of prendre is pris. And prendre verb belongs to my avoir verb. So we have avoir, j'ai, tu as, il est là, nous avons, vous avez. So, and prendre pepe is pris. See, team, you learn. Take, took, taken, right? So Ellen is saying, no, j'ai pris le train. I took the train. J'ai pris, il y a des conversations entre Claire et Hélène. What I'm saying, il y a des conversations. It means there's a conversation between, entre. Il y a des conversations, there's a conversation between. Il y a des conversations, there's a conversation between Ellen and Claire. So Claire is saying, tu es parti en voiture. Is it clear to you?
जी.
Clear, tu es partir en voiture. But over here, he's saying, no. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
No. J'ai pris le train because we are doing the theaters over here. Is it clear to you? Repeat corporate dialogues, please. Repeat the dialogues, please.
शुरू से सर क्लियर tu é passé de bons vacances लैंड का भी मैं करूं
नहीं नहीं संदीप जी अपने डायलॉग्स बोलो प्लीज. संदीप जी अपने डायलॉग्स बोलो.
Oui, je me suis éclaté.
Je me suis éclaté. अपने ना पूरे सेंस से बोलो कि वी je me suis éclaté. Je me suis éclaté.
Éclaté.
Is it clear to you? Oui, je me
Oui, je me suis éclaté.
éclaté. Is it clear to you? Tell me the next dialogue, please.
tu é allé
Je suis parti. Tu es allé où?
Tu es allé où? तो बोलो आप अपने डायलॉग्स प्लीज.
Je suis parti dans le sud pendant 2 semaines.
10 semaines. Very good. Now tell me your dialogue, Claire. Tu es parti en voiture.
tu é parti en voiture
Non, j'ai pris le train.
J'ai pris le train. And ये अभी का डायलॉग्स है एलन संदीप जी. Ma voiture est tombée. Ma voiture est tombée en panne. Ma voiture est tombée en panne. What is the meaning of tomber en panne? Ma voiture est tombée en panne. It means my car broke down. Répétez après moi. Tomber en panne. Tomber en panne au moment. Répétez après moi, please. Au moment.
tomber en panne au
Au moment du départ. Du départ. Now you ask the question. Tu es parti en voiture. Tu es parti en voiture. And you're saying, no. Sandeep, you're saying, no. J'ai pris le train. Ma voiture est tombée en panne au moment du départ. It means my car has been broke down at the moment I started. Now, for example, you start your car, right? But it got break down. For this reason, you took a train. Is it clear to you? Ma voiture est tombée en panne. My car has been broke down. Ma voiture est tombée en panne au moment du départ. Is it clear to you? Clear, Deepji?
Yeah.
Now, Claire is saying, ah, bon. Ah, bon. Ok, ah, bon. Tu as loué un appart. Répétez après moi. Tu as loué un appart. Very important. An appart we call as apartment. So he's saying tu as loué. Loué, we have a rental. Literally meaning of loué is to rent. Clear?
Yeah.
You rented an apartment over there. Tu as loué, passé composé. See in your TEF, section B, sorry, section B is for letter format, section A. You have to write for past. For this reason, we are doing ma voiture est tombée en panne. Why est tombée? Tombé, basically, we have verb to fell down. Literally meaning of tombe is to fell down. And tombe belongs to my ether family verb. So for this reason, my car broke down. So we can say tombe en panne. Is it clear to you? That's very good. My voiture est tombée en panne. My car has been broke down au moment du départ. At the moment I departed. Claire, ah bon, tu as loué un appartement. You rented an apartment. Is it clear to you?
जी सर. तो सर यहाँ पे अपार्ट की जगह अपार्टमेंट भी लिख सकते थे.
हाँ, we can say that's not a problem. I did a short form. Ah bon is really. Ah bon हम use करते हैं really में भी. Really ah bon. Ah bon really. Ellen, no. Je suis allé. He's saying no because we are doing the theater. Je suis allé au camping. Je suis allé au camping.
Camping.
It means I went to the camping. Je suis allé, passé composé. You know, Sandeep ji, je suis allé, passé, I went. Now, Claire is saying, Sempa, very important. Sempa, nice. Now, we say nice. Sempa, repeat after me. Sempa, chue ale,
Sempa.
chue zale, the chue zale, the baine, tous les jours, tous
Baine.
les jours. He's saying over here, chue zale, the baine, tous les jours. It means, did you go for a swimming every day? Baine. Is it clear to you?
Chue ale te baine.
Yes. Chue zale. Is it clear to you? Chue zale te baine tous les jours. Is it clear to you?
ठीक है सर.
Okay. Chue zale te baine tous les jours. He's saying, what is saying? Ellen is saying, no. La plage était bourrée. Very important phrase. Very important phrase there to your B2 and B1. La plage était bourrée. La plage était bourrée et il faisait trop chaud. Il faisait trop chaud. Now, what is that? The beach was totally packed and the weather was too hot. Packed, bourré. Team, very important. Repeat after me. No, la plage. Plage, say that it was, say what's beach. These are the theater which we are doing. No, la plage était bourrée. It means no, the beach was packed. Il faisait trop chaud. And it was totally a hot weather. See, one thing you have to understand. Show is my verb to heat. Now, for example, team, listen to me. Whenever we are doing, you know, the weather condition, whenever we are doing the weather condition, right, we have to use fair verb. Fair is my verb to do, basically. Fair is my verb to do. If I will say weather is sweet, I have to use fair verb. Now, what is the conjugation of fair verb? Repeat after me. Je fais, tu fais, il, elle fait, nous faisons, vous faites, ils, elles font. Is it clear to you? Clear, clear. If I'm saying il fait beau, weather is sweet, I will use fair verb. Il fait beau. Beau is sweet. Weather is sweet. Weather is hot, I will say il fait chaud. I have to use fair verb. That's a phrase, il fait chaud. But over here, I'm saying it, there's a passé composé. The weather was. So I am using over here l'em parfait. You know l'em parfait, team? L'em parfait, we have done l'em parfait, right? Gaganji, M parfait. A2 module. Was for ing wala pattern.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right? So il faisait trop chaud. I will explain to you grammar also. आपको वाला पैटर्न में लेके जाऊंगा लैम पारफ्रेम भी, लेकिन that is no, la plage était bourrée. The weather was, sorry, it was very crowded, bourrée. It means the beach was packed and the weather was too hot. Trop is very. Is it clear to you? La plage était bourrée. What is était over here?
Was.
Yes. La plage était bourrée et il faisait trop chaud. Clear? Then Claire is saying, ah, mais tu as bien mangé au moins. Mais tu as bien mangé au moins. It means, but did you eat well? At least au moins. You know, for example, if saying you went for swimming, no, it was very crowded and the weather was hot. And you say, okay, did you eat well at least? At least. Mais tu as bien mangé au moins. Tu as bien mangé. Passé composé. Tu as mangé. Tu as bien mangé. You eat well at least. Répétez après moi. Mais tu as bien mangé au moins. Répétez après moi.
Mais tu as
Ah,
bien
mais
mangé au
tu
mieux.
as bien mangé au moins.
Mais is but. Mais tu as bien mangé à moi. Is it clear?
Bien mangé au mieux.
So if you say, at least you eat well, because this is a pattern for B1 and B1, basically we have a judge role. Team, listen to me. Why we are doing role play activities? Because in B1 pattern, you have to participate role activities. One over here, you have to play a role with your jury. Same role you have to play with your examiner. For this reason, we are doing B1 play. Is it clear to you? Mais tu as bien mangé au moins. Mais tu as bien mangé. Tu as bien mangé. You eat well, at least. Ellen. Ellen is saying, oui, yes, mais, but, j'ai eu une intoxication. Répétez après moi. Intoxication. Very important vocab. Intoxication alimentaire. Very important. Alimentaire. J'ai-tu resté au lit pendant 3 jours? Pendant 3 jours. What is that? It's saying oui, exactement. Oui, mais, but, j'ai eu, I had, j'ai eu. What is you over here? Team, we have our verb, right? Our pepe, the past of our is you. Is it clear to you? Our is my verb to have, and you is my had. Is it clear to you, team?
Okay, sir.
In order to make past of our, I have to use our present tense. So that is you, I had. Is it clear to you, team? I had food poisoning. What to say food poisoning in French? Intoxication alimentaire. Alimentaire, c'est-à-dire quoi? Your food, your meal. Alimentaire. Alimentaire, c'est-à-dire quoi? Your meal, your food. Mais ici, intoxication, toxic food, food poisoning. Is it clear to you? But I had, what to say I had in French? Because our pepe is you, that is j'ai eu. Mais j'ai eu in intoxication alimentaire. Is it clear to you, team? J'ai dû. What is due? J'ai dû. Now over here, due. Team, we already have done the verb. The verb is my verb to must.
Yeah.
The verb is my verb to must. Now the verb pepe is due. If you say I had to, what do you say? I have to. Je dois, you know, I have. But if I say I had to, j'ai dû, because the verb pepe is due, clear, and obviously, évidemment, this is our family verb. J'ai dû rester. I had to rest in the bed only. I had to rest in bed only during 3 days. Pendant 3 jours. Is it clear to you? Team,
जी
clear?
सर
Clear? Then he's saying, Claire is saying, quel galère. Very important phrase. Team, this is how you can, complete your B1 in terms of your je the role. What is je the role? Je is my verb to play. Je. Je the role is role play. Role play करना है आपको तो team for this season will do lot of role play with your B1 activities. Quelle galère. It means, what a sad. Quelle galère. What a drag. Repeat after moi. Very important phrase. Repeat after me, team. Quelle galère. Repeat,
कैल
please.
गाल है
Yes. What a sadistic thing. Quelle galère. Is
कैल
it?
गाल है
What a pain. अब बोलते, oh my God, oh no. So what to say this thing? Quelle galère. Now E over here, grave. That is air sound. Left hand side पे. Quelle galère. मैं à part ça, very important, mais à part ça, tu t'es bien amusé. Tu t'es bien amusé. He's saying, mais à part ça. हम बोलते हैं, but apart from this. We say in English, apart from this.
हाँ जी अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस
He's saying, he's saying, oh, oui, j'ai une intoxication alimentaire. J'ai dû rester au lit pendant 3 jours. Now, Claire is saying, team अपने dialogue लिख रहे हो ना आप? क्योंकि आपको उसका role play करना है, right? So, Claire is saying, oh, quelle galère. Mais à part ça, apart from this, but à part ça, what is à part ça? Mais, but apart from this, team, this is how you can increase your level in French. Clear? Because with the help of theater, you're doing a lot of activities with me and you will increase your level. Mais à part ça, but apart from this, aside from that, tu t'es bien amusé. Did you have fun? Tu t'es bien amusé. Did you fun? Did you enjoy? Tu t'es amusé. Ce verb passé composé, tu t'es. Say clear, team. Is it clear to you? Tu t'es bien amusé. So amusé, we have E, aigu, A symbol, right? Aigu. So tu, the, s'amuser, verb. Because we have verb s'amuser. Team s'amuser is my verb to enjoy oneself. Is it clear to you, team?
जी सर
S'amuser is my verb. देखो, gradually you will pick entire thing over here, right? So s'amuser is my verb to enjoy oneself. Is it clear to you? If I talk about what to say s'amuser verb in terms of present tense, so what you will do? Je m'amuse, tu t'amuses, elle s'amuse, nous nous amusons, vous vous amusez. Is it clear to your team? And elle s'amuse. Team, is it clear to you?
जी सर
Now, what is the passé composé of s'amuse verb then? So we have to use our H family verb, sub verb. Tell me, team. With the past activities of sub verb, because we are picking the portion for B1, we are picking the portion for TEF, writing task, section A. Because in section A, we have to write for past only. So, je me suis amusé, tu t'es amusé, il s'est amusé. Is it clear to you, team? Nous nous sommes amusés, vous vous êtes amusés, and elles se sont amusés. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear? Clear? These things you have to do practice. Quelle galère. Mais à part ça, apart from this, tu t'es bien amusé. Did you enjoy it? Is it clear to you? Now, Ellen is saying, un peu, a little bit, un peu. Upper is a little bit. La boîte était fermée pour travaux. Very important. What is that? Répétez après moi. La boîte. La boîte we call as discotheque. La boîte we called as discotheque. For example, आपको टॉपिक आता है एक जज रोल discotheque पे. अब what is a discotheque? अब वहां पे la boîte लिखा हो तो you have to understand team. For this reason, I'm giving the vocabularies. La boîte était discothèque. Now, for example, this is a topic for section A, writing. You have to explain in one. Now, what to say section A में आता क्या writing में? Now, over here, we can mention you went to a boîte. Say Claire, tu t'es allé au boîte, à la boîte et expliquer les dialogues, expliquer l'histoire, imagination, imaginer l'histoire. You have to imagine the history, the past may what it could happen. So you have to write for past. For this season, you have to understand what is boîte. Sometimes it happens because we are given the vocabularies over here. La boîte était fermée. The discotheque was closed pour travaux. What is travaux? For the construction work. Yes. It's not find. What that is through way. Travaux we call as, see, this is your vocabularies team, B1 and B2 vocab, literally. Now, for example, team, one thing you have to understand. In section B, hai kya basic, sorry, section A, what is section A writing task? If I write for this, if I give you one liner, in your writing task section A, why I'm giving these about theaters? La boîte était fermée pour travaux. I will not use that also. मैं use नहीं भी करूँगा. I will say, okay, a little bit मैंने enjoy किया. Because I am giving you the vocabularies over here. Multiple vocabularies. Because understand what is section A writing task. See, we were doing B1 je the role. Now we dramatically, because B1 is where B1, B2 relates to your TEF. Obviously, je the role relates to your what? B1. But we are doing the theater for past. It means it will help you in your writing of section A TEF. Right? Clear, right, team? In your section A writing, mein aata kya basically how it can happen. Over here, you will get a one-liner like that. La boîte était fermée pour travaux. That's it. And you have to create a story. So it means you have to understand what to say. If you not understand what is boîte, what is travaux, you cannot make it out. What is that going on? Is it clear to your team? Is it clear to your team? Tell me, team. समझ आ रहा है आपको कि मैं क्या कह रहा हूं? कि for example, if I'm saying la boîte était fermée pour travaux, and we're not aware what is boîte, what is travaux, for this reason I'm giving the vocabulary and we'll work for this. I will explain to you how to create an imagination. अपने templates हैं उसके. But first, whatever we are explaining over here, we have to do practice for this. La boîte était fermée pour travaux. It means the discotheque was closed because of construction work. Travaux, construction work. Pen down, please. Is it clear to you, team? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, Klein is saying, oh no. Oh no. Tu as pu quand même. Very important. I will explain to you. Faire des rencontres. Is saying, tu as pu. What is pu? Team, we have a pouvoir. Pouvoir is the verb to can. The paper of pouvoir is pu. Good. Is it clear to you? And pouvoir belongs to our family verb. The tu as pu. He's saying you could. Quand même. Faire des rencontres. Literal meaning of this is, did you still make some meetings, some acquaintance It means in Hindi, did you meet with the people over there? Phew, you could. He's asking, did you still make some acquaintance? क्या वहां पे आपने जान पहचान करी? Comem. What is comem over here, team? Repeat after me.
कौन
Com.
कौन
Literally meaning of comem is even if. All the same. Very important. Pen down, please. Still. Comem we called as still. Pen down, please. Comem we called as all the same. Comem we called as even if. Is it clear to you? Still. On, and then you will say encore is also still, because comem is a beautiful phrase for B1 and B2. Chiwapu, you could still comem. I'm not using encore. Encore is also still because we are picking the pattern, because we are increasing a level. So chiwapu comem faire des rencontres. It means what? You could still did with the meetings. Did you still make some acquaintance? Rencontre. Rencontre is a verb to meet. Rencontre is to, acquaintance. Jaan pehchan. Acquaintance. Rencontre. Tu as pu quand même faire des rencontres. क्योंकि जब तक आप ऐसे डायलॉग्स नहीं करोगे, लेवल नहीं बढ़ता है. तो कैसे बोलोगे आप? Did you still make some acquaintance? Did you still? What is did you still? Tu as pu? You could still quand même faire des rencontres. बोलो इसको आप टीम. Repeat the phrase, please. क्योंकि these are the phrases. Sometimes we have to work on phrases. Sometimes we have work on phrases. Clear? Tu as pu quand même faire des rencontres. टीम ये phrases अपने माइंड में बिठाओगे आप. Is it clear to you? Okay, we, yes. Ellen is saying we. Mes voisins. Mais il buvait comme the true. Very important. लग रहा है टीम आज हम सिर्फ phrases पे बात कर रहे हैं. Only phrases. Mais il buvait comme the true et était très bruyant. What is that? He's saying we, my neighbors, mes voisins. Voisin, we have neighbor. But, il buvait, we have verb boire. Boire, we have verb to drink. Clear? So, boire ka jo, tell me, the boire verb present tense. Tell me, team. The boire verb present tense. Tell me.
Regular verb, no?
Irregular verb. Je bois. Tu bois. Team, मैंने भेजा था आपको. Did I share a session of irregular verbs with you?
Yes, sir.
I'm just asking, did I share the session?
No.
I will share the session of irregular verb. मैंने आपसे कल भी एक सेशन शेयर किया है. संदीप जी, did you see the session जो मैंने 8:30 भेजा था आपको?
हाँ जी सर, देख लिया था.
Tef 2 day part जहाँ पे मैं
डे 1 से. अच्छा
नहीं day 2
डे 1 पे जाता कल.
नहीं, आपको आया नहीं वो, मैं आपको भेज दूंगा. So basically this is my boire verb. Je bois, tu bois, il boit, nous buvons, vous buvez, il boit. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you, team? Il boit. Clear हो रहा है टीम आपको? टीम टेल मी ना, मुझे एक बार रेस्पॉन्स करोगे आप प्लीज. Did you understand, team?
Yes sir.
हाँ जी सर.
Now, what is the lamp parfait of boire verb? Now, how to make lamp parfait? थोड़ा सा बीम में आपको lamp parfait बनाना भी but आपको दोबारा से बताता हूँ कि हम चीजें रिवाइज करेंगे एक चीज को. In order to make lamp parfait belongs to your past continuous tense, right? Okay. So we have to use nu conjugation in order to make lamp parfait. We have to use nu present tense We have to use nous, present tense, nous buvons. Okay. I have to eliminate ONS from the end and I have to add AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS. ये ending है आपकी. This ending you have to learn. IEZ and AIENT. This ending belongs to my lamp parfait. AIS belongs to my je buvais is I was drinking, past continuous. Tu buvais, BUV, and AIS is the ending. Clear team? So these are the ending basically. Clear? So कह रहे कि मैं il buvais, अब il lot of people, so BUV, because ending of plural is AIENT in lamp parfait means past continuous tense. मैं il buvais comme the through क्या होता है? टल्ली. You know what to say टल्ली in French? बताओ team. Team, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Buvons.
Yes, sir.
Come the through मतलब क्या है ये?
Come the through.
हिंदी आपकी लैंग्वेज
Yes,
है.
sir.
Hindi is your language. अब I will say what is talli? Talli. Come the through, it means they were drinking a lot. Come the through. était très bruyant. Bruyant क्या होता है? Very loud, loudly. And they were very loud. Is it clear to you, team? Team clear हो रहा है आपको?
जी सर.
ठीक है. So team, एक 6:30 का सेशन भी मेरा स्टार्ट हो गया. अगर आपको उसको भी ज्वाइन करना है, you can join this. ओके. तो अभी मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ टीम, आपसे मैं इसकी अभी हमारा हाफ हुआ है अभी ये वाला थिएटर. B1 का थिएटर है ये बेसिकली. इसमें थोड़ा सा हमारे कुछ डायलॉग्स पेंडिंग है. कल हम ना प्रोवर्ब्स मैं आपको करवाऊंगा. प्रोवर्ब्स क्या होता है टीम? जैसे हमारी ना B1 B2 में पैटर्न में जाने के लिए हमें प्रोवर्ब्स करने होते हैं. जैसे बैड न्यूज ट्रेवल फास्ट. जैसे हिंदी में होता है बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद, नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा.
मुहावरे टाइप.
ये प्रोवर्ब्स हम लगाएंगे. ये मैं आपको प्रोवर्ब्स करवाऊंगा कल. कल विल डू 20-25 proverbs which will use you can use in your section B, oral, yes, and you can use in your B1 B2 oral also. Clear? ठीक है. तो मैं आपसे रिकॉर्डिंग चाहिए आपको इस वाले सेशन का टीम? टेल मी.
दीजिए सर.
So I will share the recording. It means गगन जी आपके पास 3 रिकॉर्डिंग्स पेंडिंग हो जाएगा कल का, ये वाला और एक मैं इधर हुआ भेजूंगा. ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज. मैं सारी रिकॉर्डिंग आपसे शेयर कर रहा हूँ बैक टू बैक. कुछ वो नॉर्मल होंगे, कुछ वो हैवी पैटर्न पे होंगे. वॉच दोस रिकॉर्डिंग और मुझे अपने करके भेजो ना टास्क. वट एवर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग टू यू ओवर हियर इन द रिकॉर्डिंग, पेन डाउन एंटायर कंटेंट एंड सेंड मी ऑन द व्हाट्सएप. इज इट क्लियर टू योर टीम?
यस सर.
ठीक है. ओके गगन जी. सो इस वजह से हम पहले एक लेवल मेंटेन करेंगे एंड देन विल मूव टू अ टेस्ट. क्लियर? और ये टेस्ट में काम आएंगी चीजें आपकी सारी जो हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. दीज आर द एंटायर टेस्ट वोकैबुलरी व्हिच वी आर यूजिंग ओवर हियर. क्लियर हो रहा है टीम?
जी सर.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. ओके चलो. और वाह, टेक केयर. आप ये तो